Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to insert a auto generated serial number in Microsoft Word. Here if I delete this row, you can see here it's not a auto generated serial number 1, 2 and 4. I just press Ctrl Z for undo. Now I want to insert a auto generated serial number. Just remove it and select all the cells and go to the bullets and numbering and select this one. Now if I delete this row, you can see here it will auto generate the serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I delete this row, you can see here it will generate the auto serial number. That's way you can insert a auto serial number. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.